Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will show you how to reply to comments on a video in YouTube on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Step 2. Locate the video you want to reply to comments on. Scroll down below the video and you'll find the comment section. Step 3. Look for the comment you want to reply to and click on the reply button located beneath that specific comment. Step 4. A text box will appear. Type in your comment, expressing your thoughts or answering the commenter's question. Step 5. Once you've crafted your response, click on the reply button to post your comment. Remember, engaging with your audience through comments helps foster a sense of community and shows that you value their input. And there you have it. You now know how to reply to comments on a video in YouTube on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.